Dear colleagues, dear friends, International Research Center for Islamic History, Art and Culture, IRSICA, Center for Islamic Civilization in Uzbekistan, and Avicenna Public Foundation cordially invite you to participate in the International Scientific Conference, The Legacy of Abu Ali ibn Sina, Western and Eastern Scientist Approach, to be held on August 16, 2022 in Tashkent city. The international event is dedicated for the celebration of the 1042 years anniversary of birth of Abu Ali ibn Sina. The event will cover the scientific significance of outstanding image and great heritage of this genius, Abu Ali ibn Sina, who made great contribution to the scientific and cultural development of the Islamic world. Scientists and experts from India, Iran, Turkey, Israel, Germany, Egypt, Russia, Korea, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan will participate in the conference. Contacts +998 71 268 0897 +998 93 557 4801. Address Karasaray Street 47, Tashkent City, Republic of Uzbekistan.